Next is oxidation. First one is combustion. Benzene burns with a smoky flame and forms carbon dioxide and water. Write the equation. 2. Catalytic oxidation. When a mixture of benzene vapor and air is passed over vanadium pentoxide at 723 to 773 Kelvin, first malic acid, carbon dioxide and water are formed. Write the equation. You must know the formula of malic acid, vanadium pentoxide and benzene. Then this malic acid obtained undergoes dehydration and forms malic anhydride. The second equation. Write the next equation. Formation of malic anhydride, that is from malic acid one molecule of water is removed, that is dehydration. Next property, reaction with ozone. Benzene adds 3 molecules of ozone and forms benzene triozonide, which on hydrolysis gives glyoxal and hydrogen peroxide. Write the equation. That means we already know that benzene possesses 3 double bond and 3 single bond. The double bond, wherever it is, that 3 position it will break. Both the bond will break. And one bond will get attached to one oxygen and the second bond will get attached to the 2 oxygen atom. That is one bond with 2 oxygen and another bond with 1 oxygen. Therefore, both the bond are used for these 3 oxygen atom. Therefore, benzene triozonide formula is given. You write the formula of benzene triozonide and put an arrow, then write hydrolysis and write the product glyoxal chemical formula plus hydrogen peroxide. Fifth one, addition reactions. Write the equation. 1. Benzene reacts with hydrogen in presence of catalysts such as finely divided nickel or platinum at a temperature 473 to 573 Kelvin and gives cyclohexane. You must know the formula of cyclohexane. Write the equation. Second one, in presence of UV light or sunlight, benzene reacts with chlorine and forms benzene hexachloride. Write the structure of benzene hexachloride. It is also known as BHC, benzene hexachloride. Third one, benzene reacts with bromine and forms benzene hexabromide. Write the structure of benzene hexabromide and write the equation. Last property, pyrolysis. When benzene is heated in presence of red hot iron, write it above the arrow. Temperature is 700 to 800 degrees centigrade. Diphenyl or biphenyl, both are correct. Biphenyl or diphenyl and hydrogen are formed. Write the equation. Write the structure of diphenyl. The molecular formula is C6H5, C6H5. And write the structural formula, that is better to understand, biphenyl. Uses in page number 809, 4 uses of aromatic compounds are given. Please refer the text and write that uses in your notebook.